Want juicy, flavorful chicken breasts that never turn dry? Let's bake the perfect chicken in just 25 minutes. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon onion powder, a half teaspoon salt, a half teaspoon black pepper. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Pat the chicken breast dry, then drizzle with olive oil. Mix the seasonings together and rub evenly on both sides of the chicken for maximum flavor. Place the chicken breasts in a baking dish. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the internal temp reaches 165 Faht. Let the chicken rest for 5 minutes before slicing. This keeps it juicy and tender. And there you have it, perfect baked chicken breast. Healthy, flavorful, and ready for any meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick recipes.